In this video, I want to take a look at how to change some of the default options in the variable view window. Now, first of all, notice here that we have 10 different columns displayed in the variable view window. And let's say that you don't want the align and measure columns to display. You'd rather not have those in there. And the way to do that is to go to Edit and then go to Options. Click on the Data tab here. And then under Customize Variable View, click on that button there. And here are displayed the 10 options that we see displayed currently in our variable view window. So if I go ahead and deselect Measure and Roll, you should see, we only see Measure right now, rolls off to the right, but those should disappear. So let's go ahead and try that. Click OK, and then OK once again, and notice how they are removed. But if I want to bring those back, just do the reverse. Go to Edit, Options, click on Customize Variable View, and then select those once again. Click OK, and then OK again, and now they are back. Measure and Roll. Okay, this concludes the video on modifying the columns that are displayed in the variable view window. Thanks for watching.